we just released video backgrounds for both funnels and for websites. So if you're curious what this new video background feature is, it is something that is now available in websites and funnels that is a visually captivating way to enhance your online presence and engage your audience very effectively. You can use any type of video, something that can grab attention, something that can create emotion. It's really up to you, and the options are unlimited. So, why this matters and how it helps you. Use captivating video backgrounds to keep your audience connected and interested. You can again draw attention to something that you want using video. You can easily enhance your website's visual appeal to make it more attractive to visitors, and you can stand out and unlock marketing potential by smoothly adding video backgrounds right to your online presence. So, no matter where you are in funnels or in websites, you are going to access the section that you would like to make a video background for. Once you are in that section, you are going to locate the background image on the left-hand settings menu within that section. From there, you're going to make sure you select video. You're going to add all of the details. You're going to load your media, anything additional you need, and you're going to hit save. The best part is checking this out, seeing how awesome it is. If you need any help, please reach out to us. We are always here to help. Enjoy this new feature.